For this tutorial, we're going to learn how to separate different systems found inside our Revit model, and then we're going to export them into DWG files. Alright, so you're going to want to start by opening your file. You're going to want to detach from Central, and then open, detach and preserve work sets, and then you're going to wait for your model to load. Alright, ignore and continue opening the project. Alright, so you're going to go up on your tabs right here, select View, click this drop down 3D View, and select Default 3D View. Alright, you're going to want to be in 3D View because it allows you to select your work sets right here. And then work sets are a collection of elements in a work shared project which are organized differently depending on the architect. For this project, the first letter in front of the work set indicates which elements fall under such trade. For example, I will group elements starting with E and T into one view, which would allow me to export as electrical. So you're going to want to start by hiding all other elements that don't start with E or T over here. So this indicates whether they are opened or closed. So here's E, so I'm going to leave those open. I'm going to select link and all the way to hold shift in front of that T. Make sure that you're still holding shift. That way you can select no. Alright. And then hold shift, select no. Alright, so all that should be open in your views are E and T. Alright, so you're going to select OK. And then notice right here that all your elements are now should be electrical or telecom. Okay, I'm going to hide all the other, or I guess delete all these other elements that you don't need. Zoom in close to this. Alright, now that we have separated them, we can now export them. So you want to go down to this R right here, select the drop down, go to Export, CAD Files, DWG. You want to make sure that you're in session, and then click these three dots. You want to make sure that you figure out whether your coordinate system basis is either project internal or shared, and for this project it's shared, so you want to click shared. Make sure you go to solids and click ACIS solids. Okay. And then you want to stay on the current view sheet only, and then you want to click next. And then right here you can name your title convention however you want. And just put test 1. Electrical. Alright, you want to make sure that you uncheck the export views. Alright, press OK. Then you wait for that file to export. It should be exported. Alright, so you're going to repeat the same thing. You're going to go down to your work sets, except this time you remember to close every single work set that starts with E and T. Hold shift, select no. No. Alright, so we're going to want to focus on mechanical now. Every element that starts with M, including ME and MEP and MP. Alright, this time we're going to select yes because we want those open. And it should be good. Alright, click OK. And notice that your elements changed. So instead of electrical and telecom, they are now HVAC systems. Alright. So you're going to repeat the same steps again. You're going to go down to R, Export, CAD Formats, DWG. And then I already selected this settings, but you still want to make sure. Solids, alright, good. Current view, sheet only. And then next. You want to name your title convention. Make sure that you're at least separating the name by trade, that way you know which one. Alright, make sure you're going to uncheck the export views on sheets and links. Okay. All right. We're going to do this one last time. We're going to go down to work sets and then remember to hide every element with M. No. Now we're going to do the same thing but for P. Yes. All right. Now they should be open in view. Okay. R, export, CAD format, CWG. Okay, next. All right, uncheck. Okay. All right, that should have loaded by now. All right, well that concludes today's tutorial.